Hello there, Lee Cunningham here from UID.me, the UK's leading emergency ID and alert service. In this series of very short videos, going to try and keep them under 3 minutes, I'm just going to take you through from unpackaging your UID.me product, tell you what's in the pack, right through to activating your ID, why you would want to do that anyway, and then what are your options after you've activated for you and your family to keep you as safe as possible whilst you're out and about on your business, on your daily business. So let's look at the packaging. It's really simple. We only put a few things in your pack when you get it. So you've typically got your ID product. You've got a small 8-page brochure, which looks like this one, currently anyway, this is a current version, called Emergency UID.me, the UK's leading emergency ID and alert service for adults and children. You also may get like an offer leaflet, which is giving, well, typically at the moment we've got a 5 years platinum plan for the price of 1 year, which it looks similar to that, tells you a little bit about the service on there. Well, that's a really good deal anyway. And then also, if you have one of the Vital ID wristbands, you'll get a little leaflet like this, which basically just shows you the silver ID labels, which are absolutely critical to really maximising the safety of your Vital ID bracelet. So our ID products fall into two kind of camps. We do like a standard ID product, like you know, just an in case of emergency product. Now that might be a wristband, it might be an ID card, it could be like a pendant on a necklace, dog tags, that kind of thing. And then we also do what I would refer to as condition specific ID products. So this is like usually for medical ID or emergency medical ID, I should say, and that's where the name of the medical condition is printed on the product itself. It doesn't really matter what the product, because it all looks pretty much like this when you receive it in a really simple packaging. One of the things you also get in the pack, which is critical really, is your activation ID slip. This has got your username and your activation code stroke password on it. Now, I'm keeping it short on this video, so if you want to learn more about how to activate it and what the details on this slip is all about, check out the next video in this playlist. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Take care always, and I hope to speak or see you soon through this video. Thank you.